Hey, in front of me is Realme C33 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Realme. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey. That means that location is now off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, look for location section over here and when you find it, click on it. Then manage location of your smartphone by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!